2010. Cyrus, it is a Trombe and was built with an assistance of Canada. Cyrus, reactor, Canada. It was also permanently shut down to 2010. Jelena, in the third research reactor. This zero energy experimental reactor was indigenously built. It was decommissioned in 1983. Kamini, it is a research reactor of IGCR in Kalpakkam, India. It was the first reactor in the world designed specifically to use fuel. Kamini. It was first reactor in the world designed specifically. Dhuruva. Dhuruva reactor is in India largest research reactor. Dhuruva. And primary source of weapon grade plutonium. Largest research reactors and primary source of weapons. It is jointly designed Bark and IGCR. Liquid sodium fast breeder reactor. Dhruva reactor in India are largest research reactors. Board of Radiation and Isotope, Mumbai. Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Trombe Nuclear, Mumbai. Board of Radiation and Isotopes. Indian Rare Earth Limited, Mumbai. Atomic Mineral Directorate, Hyderabad. Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research, Kalpakkam. Kalpakkam. Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research. Atomic Mineral Directorate, Hyderabad. Indian Rare Earth Limited, Mumbai. Variable Energies Cyclotron Center, Kolkata. Center for Advanced Technology, Indore. Heavy Water Board, Mumbai. Nuclear Power Corporation, India Limited, Mumbai. Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Mumbai. Nuclear Fuel Complex, Hyderabad. Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics, Kolkata. Institute of Plasma Research, Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad. Center. Baba Atomic Trombe, Indian Rare Earth Limited, Mumbai. Atomic Mineral, Hyderabad. Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research, Kalpakkam. Variable Energy Cyclotron Center, Kolkata. Center for Advanced Technology, Indore. Heavy Water Board, Mumbai. Heavy Water Board, Mumbai. Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, Mumbai. Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Mumbai. Nuclear Fuel Complex, Hyderabad. Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics, Kolkata. Institute of Plasma Research, Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad. Development of nuclear energy. With the enactment of the Atomic Energy Bill in the 1948, Atomic Energy Commission was abolished. 10th August, Atomic Energy Commission. Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha as its first chairman. Atomic Energy Bill in 1948. Commission was entrusted with the formulation and implementation of policy of the government in all matters. Subsequently, the Department of Atomic Energy was set up on 3rd August 1954 under the direct charge of a Prime Minister through the Presidential Order. On 3rd January 1954, Atomic Energy Establishment at Trombe was established by Atomic Energy Commission. Atomic Energy Commission renamed Bhabha Atomic Research Center 1967. It consolidates all nuclear reactor research and technology related development in India. It consolidated all nuclear reactors research and technology related development. Actually, On third generation development of nuclear energy, medicine, diagnosis and treatment of disease, sterilization of a product frequently used in clinical and surgical environment, industry and technology review of materials, welding, construction control, productivity, process research, agricultural plague control, food conservation, archaeology, geological event. On 3rd January 1954, Atomic Energy Establishment, Bombay. Atomic Energy Commissions, Bhabha. Nuclear Test of India. Radioisotopes. The nuclear changes actually in an stable atom. The nucleus changes by the giving of a neutron to get back to balanced state. Radioactive isotopes are often called radioisotopes. As the unstable nucleus changes, gives off radiation and is said to radioactives. Apsara. GRAMSAT. ISRO come up with the concept of a dedicated GRAMSAT satellite, keeping mind of the urgent need to eradicate illiteracy, rural belt which is necessary for the all-around development of a nation. This program is an operation in Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Odisha. ISRO GRAMSAT satellite. Urgent need to eradicate illiteracy. Talent feature of GRAMSAT project are as follows. Communication network at the state level connecting the state capitals to district and block, enabling a reach to village. Gra- ଗଛ ପଢୁଥିଲ ଜାଣି Bhuvana. Bhuvana is a software application which allows users to explore 3D representation. Surface of Earth. Bhuvana allows users to view 2D, 3D images along with the information on soil, wasteland and water resources on Indian subcontinent. Wasteland, soil, wasteland and water resources. You just explore 3D representation on the surface of Earth. Bhuvan allows users to view 2D, 3D images. Application Indian Remote Sensing IRS. Remote sensing satellites are a state of the art satellite, indigenously designed and put into polar orbit for useful remote sensing application. It was commissioned with the launch of IRS in 1988. IRS is the largest civilian remote sensing satellite constellation in the world. Actually, application of Insat satellite telecommunication. These have contributed to the communication revolution in India. Television. Insat has been a major catalyst for the rapid expansion of television coverage in India. Major catalyst for the rapid expansion of television coverage. Educational TV, it has been on the Insat satellite. Communication revolution in India. Rapid expansion of television coverage. Hamsat Hamsat is microsatellites designed to provide satellite-based radio service in Indian as well as the international. Hamsat amateur radio operators community. Community. Indian remote sensing IRS satellite. Indian remote sensing satellites are state-of-the-art satellites, indigenously designed and put into polar orbit. It was commissioned with the launch of IRS-1A. IRS is the largest civilian remote sensing satellite constellation in the world. commissioned with the launch of IRS-1 into polar orbit. Commissioned with the launch of IRS-1A. It is a type of RISAT series. Synthetic aperture radar imaging satellite for reconnaissance built by ISRO. The fourth and latest satellite in this series, 11 December 2019, RESAT. 50 launch, RESAT. SCATSAT. Scatometer. Satellite provide SCATSAT. Weather forecasting, SCATSAT. Cyclone prediction and tracking service to India. Before launch of the satellite 26 September.